Vallahi bir desteğe gelmedi. Vallahi billahi 3 kişi sorun yok.
A massive snowstorm hit Turkey and several provinces today, causing traffic chaos and filling the streets with snow. In Istanbul, higher elevations experienced the initial snowfall of the season on November 23, following days of strong southwesterly winds and heavy rainfall. However, the snowfall caused disruptions, including delays in air, sea and land transportation. Flights were interrupted at Sabiha Gökçen Airport, while ship traffic on the Bosphorus was temporarily halted in both directions. In Ankara, the season's first snow began as scattered flurries on the evening of November 23rd. By late night, the snowfall had intensified, covering the city center and higher elevations in a thick layer of snow.
Karlı bir Haman sabahında güllerimiz kar altında kalmış.
Heavy snowfall and a severe storm caused a traffic accident near Elmalı village in the morning hours. Driver MG, who was injured in the accident, was taken to Şarkışla State Hospital after receiving first aid from medical teams who quickly arrived at the scene. Further north in Bolu, rain transitioned into snow on the morning of November 23, accumulating over 5 centimeters. Authorities emphasized the importance of winter preparedness, urging residents to equip their vehicles with winter tires and carry emergency supplies. Snowfall-covered areas like Arnavutköy on the European side and the districts of Ataşehir, Çekmeköy, Sultanbeyli, Sancaktepe, Kartal and Pendik on the Asian side.
Tır kaymış, yolu boydan boya kapatmış.
Central and eastern regions of Turkey, including Kayseri, Niğde, Sivas and Kırıkkale, also witnessed significant snowfall and sub-zero temperatures. In Kayseri, snow quickly covered rooftops, streets and parks. With temperatures dropping to -5 degrees Celsius, 23 degrees Fahrenheit. The Erciyes mountain ski resort experienced substantial snowfall. In Yozgat and Kırıkkale, snow-covered streets and rooftops prompted swift road clearing efforts by local authorities. In Niğde, strong winds accompanied the snow, causing damage to buildings, including a school's roof in Çiftlik district. Authorities warned drivers to exercise caution as icy roads posed safety risks. Meteorologists predict continued cold weather, with temperatures expected to drop by 10 to 15 degrees Celsius in cities like Eskişehir. The frigid conditions bring risks of frost and ice, particularly on roads during nighttime. The conditions have created challenges for drivers navigating steep, icy roads. Authorities have mandated the use of snow chains or winter tires for vehicles ascending the mountain.
Perişan olacağız.